Well, hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Wild Your Garden. And in this video I want to talk to you about a wildflower that I've technically already spoken to you about, although I feel I can't really do this wildflower enough justice, should I say. It's probably my all-time favourite spring flower, or one of them. That's a big statement to make. And that is, of course, the cracking cowslips. Now, as I say, I've already done a full video on cowslips on the channel, so do check that out. But this one, I just wanted to remind you how wonderful they are. And of course, the channel has grown so much in the last 12 months. We're now at 30,000 subscribers or more so. It's just unbelievable. So thank you very much to you all for the support. But yes, I just thought I'd do another video on cowslips because this is a special site. This is a site that I wanted to come back to show you these wonderful plants because, as you can see, I am 360 degrees. I'll put a full spin in of this. It's not too quick, so you shouldn't get too dizzy. But 360 degrees, absolutely covered in cowslips. Now, this is a very sandy site, and cowslips do thrive in calcareous situations. So that is chalky or limestone grassland, and here they are absolutely doing wonderfully. It's just a carpet of them within 12 years, and it didn't take this long. You know, within 5 to 6 years they really were spreading very well. And what I love about this site is because the soil is literally almost pretty much sand. We're right down by a riverbed just over there. Some of them grow really low down, so they actually flower because of the lack of fertility. They flower about an inch high. Very sweet, actually. Again, I'm trying to avoid the word cute. That's not a word I like to use very often. But I think in this instance they are quite cute when they are growing just an inch above the ground. Really do absolutely love this wildflower. And as I look around now, it seems every time I visit a flower to try and film you on, they disappear. But these are being visited constantly at the moment by bees and a lot of other insects as well. We'll use the cowslip for nectar and pollen at this time of year, and they are just wonderful. They are an absolute splash. I love the fact that they are like a lemon yellow, like the primrose. So whereas the primrose comes out obviously before these guys, I just love how, especially on the motorway verges, in some of the, you know, down the M11, the A1, and around the M25, well, all over, I should imagine, the country at the moment, there's a lot flowering, and they really do look stunning. Sometimes they create these sort of creamy lemon yellow carpets, and it's just absolutely wonderful to see, especially on banks, motorway embankments. You get a lot because, of course, the seed sort of drops and rolls down the bank, so they create a sort of almost a cascade of cowslips. There's a phrase for you. But yeah, I wanted to just show you these because they are absolutely incredible, and they're something that are right out just about now. So if you're looking to buy from some for your garden, obviously check out the wildyourgarden.com online shop, where we do have a good stock of these, and I can't recommend them enough. They are one of my favourite springtime flowers, as I say, and one you should definitely have in your garden. Of course, they will do well in shade. You can see here they're in full sun, but they will do well in shade. And of course, the very important thing about the cowslip is it is the sole larval food plant of the Duke of Burgundy butterfly, which is our only metal marked butterfly here in the UK, which is wonderful. So it's nice to see those. Obviously on the site I know not far from here is a north facing site which has cowslips all over it. So really brilliant to see it, and I love this plant so much. As you can probably tell. Anyway, I won't waffle on. I just thought I would give you guys another chance to appreciate the wonder that is the cowslips that we find here in the UK and the Northern Hemisphere, of course. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a like, and I'll be sure to bring you many more videos on all the ways in which you can help wildlife in videos to come. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.